You guys, we are here in front of the Goodwill and I am super duper excited. I'm just a little bit late because there was a little bit of traffic, but hopefully the items that I'm looking for are still here. And you know what, I am going to be putting this in a separate video because otherwise there wouldn't be any preface to this video and you guys are just gonna be like, why are you so excited for something that we haven't even seen yet? So I'm gonna make this into the video that goes after that original video, so if you guys want to watch that, I'll have it linked right there and you guys can check it out before you watch this video. So anyway, we're gonna go inside right now and check it out and see if they're still there. If we're gonna run in, I'm really excited. I'm just like staring at the Goodwill. I'm like, oh my gosh, is anyone walking out with my items that I wanted? Ooh. We're walking in. Oh my gosh, my blue chairs are gone, but my white chairs are still here. Alright guys, so someone bought the blue chairs already, but it's totally okay because I got the white ones and those are gonna look perfect in the backyard. And the blue ones would have just been kind of like icing on the cake, but you know what? Totally okay. It wasn't meant to be. Plus mom would have probably freaked out because I didn't tell her I was gonna get them. So it's all for the best. I'll live to thrift another day. Mom won't destroy me for buying more furniture. Oh goodness. But you know what that means. Now we get to continue thrifting. Let's see what goodies they have for us today. Now also, today is Monday, so they're probably depleted from the weekend, and I was just here yesterday, so I don't know how much stuff there is. Is this P. Mikowski? How cute, $7.99. This could be a possible maybe. It's such a cute little bag. Jessica Simpson. Steve Madden. How cute are these? What are they for? Okay, these are candles. These are like ceramic watermelon pieces. Like, wonder if they like all connect together to make one piece. These are kind of pretty. Oh, I'm kind of like, literally, I'm like, honestly a little bit sad that those chairs were missing because like, I just like had it in my mind. Like, I didn't know like anyone was gonna buy them yesterday. There was a long line yesterday though, here at the thrift. And I was like, no one's gonna buy them. And lo and behold, they did buy them. And I was here right until like about closing. But you know, that's how it is. You can't be certain that things are still gonna be here. So when you see something, you just gotta jump. So I think we're learning another little life lesson today. But oh my gosh, look at that fancy pig. She's so cute. Let's see what goodies we can find ourselves today in my favorite section, which is the little tchotchkes. But honestly, I feel like all the sections are my favorite. But there's always something cool to see in the tchotchke section. Like this little hula lady. She's fancy. Oh, or this cute little rhino. Oh, it's from Target. It's a salt and pepper shaker. How cute is that? These little bears. Oh my gosh. This Mona Lisa thing. Where's the rest of her? There's like a bottom piece somewhere. Pencils. Plates from Pier 1. Look, I always look at this every time I'm here. Alright you guys, I'm looking through here and guess what I just found? I found this is a Tory Burch thermos. And I think this is from, yeah, it's from Target. It's originally 25, it's down to 10, it's brand new. Should I get it? It's kind of, okay, I think I might get it. I already have one. Neil Henry hot dog. $5 sold. And also I just met one of you guys, Alila. It is so nice to meet you. You're so sweet. I'm so sorry, like, I was too shy to ask you to be on camera, but I love you so much. You're so amazing. Found a Starbucks mug, but it's cracked right there on the handle. $1.99. Okay, you guys, I am dying because I just found this flour container, and I'm pretty sure it's from Williams Sonoma. It's $4.99 right there. And then this one is a sugar one, and this one's also, these are definitely Williams Sonoma. $4.99, yes! Oh my gosh! I wonder if this is Waterford, because I have a couple Waterford pieces that kind of look like this. Nah, this isn't it. It would be awesome to be able to add to it. Yeah. Maybe, but oh my gosh, I cannot believe those Williams Sonoma pieces. It's like they were calling my name, just waiting for me. I think I already tried to look at this yesterday, and I thought it was Emile Henry also, but if memory serves, it's not. But just in case, or if it's like something else entirely, I don't want to like. Oh, that's right, it's like this. I don't know what this brand is. If anyone knows, let me know. Look how cute these are. I know Pampered Chef makes things like this. I think actually this last one is a Pampered Chef. This is like a gingerbread house. It is, but I think I already have this. I think I actually have 2 of them, so we will leave that for the time being. See what else we can find. Please be Pottery Barn. Please be Pottery Barn. I'm pretty certain that this is Pottery Barn. I have the matching vase. Do I need this? It doesn't say how much it is. We're gonna have to find out at the front, but I'm pretty sure this is Pottery Barn. Okay, so I had to take a second because Alila came back and she brought me this mug. She's so sweet. It's like an anthropology mug with a K, which I did not have. So thank you, Alila. And your mom, believe it, she met me and she is so sweet. So thank you again. Just found a bunch of bags of cars. $1.99 per bag. That is not bad. And they're full of Thomas trains and cars. Like, that is amazing. So I'm definitely gonna get them. Oh my goodness. I still cannot believe it, Lily. You're so sweet. I'm like dying. You guys, I just found this vintage Furby for $3.99. Maze. Hot dog. I think this is like Le Creuset. I'm pretty sure this is a Le Creuset, what is it called? Paper towel holder. Let's look it up. Do I need to buy these animals for the kids? The alligator is pretty cute. So is the turtle. Ooh, what is this? I like this. Okay, a quick tour through the furniture and stuff before we head out. Oh, I've always wanted one of these. $4.99. Just looking through the prints really quick. They have some nice ones. They also have like a lot of Target prints and oh, this is pretty. $3.99 at DeMarco. That's pretty cool. Oh, how cool is this? They have like a oval canvas. I know my sister would like that. You guys, look how cute this is. For like a little girl's room. Oh, I wish it wasn't full of crayons and stuff. It's really cute. I wonder how much it is. And also where it's from. Cressa, 2001. $4.99. They have so many cool things. They have like one of these fabric frame things. You can put things in. Mirror. Art. They have these pictures with random strangers. This is kind of cute. I think I saw this before. Target for $14.99. It's not bad. Oh, check out this lantern. 20 bucks for that guy. Trash can. Fireplace things. Baby things. What is this? Little Tykes ice cream stand? Stop it. How much is this? $89.99. Great. It's so cute though. It's like a food truck. 2-in-1 food truck. Oh, so cute. Okay, I found it. Apparently it's only $70 on eBay. $20 shipping. Pretty cute. But no. I'm about to head out. But I just want to look. Oh, they have umbrellas. Stop. This one is $70, a 9-foot umbrella round lit patio. Well, that's kind of nice. I wish it was white though. It's not gonna match. Alright guys, I'm walking to my car because I gotta pick up this stuff with my car up at the front because there's too much stuff. But I'll show you guys what I got when we get home. We just got out of the car. It's so much cooler over in Orange County. Like, oh my gosh.